So guys, happy Saturday. We are en route to Shyla's game, which is her last game. We running a little late.
Her last cheerleading football.
Yeah, the last
game.
for football. She's supposed to, I think she's cheering
Her
for
freshman year of college.
for basketball too. So, but this is the last football game, so we're going. It's me, Brianna. Look, Brianna, you can't even see her. Brianna, will you come on? She's always way in the back. And Angel is right there. You guys can see him, I don't know. And we are en route to the field.
Yes, we are.
Oh, so this is what we thought we can drive down, right? But you can't, you can only walk down it. So that's why we had to go around. And it's like this whole maze at my daughter's school. Guys, take a look around. We on a college campus. You ever wanted to go to college? Well, here it is, guys. Real life college campus, guys. Financial office.
We're 20 without the
Yep, we got on our pajamas today. Shanti I got on my red ones in black. Shanti got on her gray and black. It's a fall day in Massachusetts. Oh. Gotta make sure I got my face moisturized and rubbed in. And we are there. We're at the game, guys. Actually, this way is not that bad. From where the parking lot's at.
Right?
You guys hear the rumble?
Now we just have to remember how to get back there.
I think I can remember. It's really easy, right?
Up the hill.
It's just like as if we were gonna drive up, but we can't go up that way. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Up the hill and down it again.
And so now we're at the actual entrance. We can pay and go in the game, guys. Stay tuned.